guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So we're going to be cooking today. Today a cooking video. I just came back from the market. I did a market tour, so you can check that video out. So I bought agbalumo inside market. The man, I tell as the man say this agbalumo say no go slap. Say it's very sweet, madam. It's very sweet. It no go slap. That's why I don't nick now. And I think they slapping. They slap well. I get this for myself. So I saw this lady in the market. Okay, like I love brown skin girls. Okay, like if you are fair, let you fair everywhere. Don't go and be chocolate and vanilla together in one body. So I saw this lady. What attracted me to her face, her body was her face. Her face is so smooth and fair. Like when I say fair, I mean fair. She's fair. Then from face, so I start looking down to her feet. If you see her feet, guys, her feet is brown. Her face is fair. Her hand is brown. Like I don't know why you will, and you will not know that she's bleaching in the sense that she has knuckles, like dark knuckles on her hands. Like I was just, and she's a fine lady. I was just like, why will you gonna be bleaching yourself? You are already chocolate. Be your chocolate and glow your skin. You don't need to go and transform yourself into another human being because you believe maybe that is what is raining. Because I remember those days when I was still doing boyfriend and girlfriend. You'll be hearing, na single girls, na slim girls they reign this year. Girls they go slim. Next year you will hear, na girls with big bum they reign. You see girls, you start seeing different girls having big nyash. I don't know if you guys encounter that kind of gist. You know, say, oh, now fair girls, guys, they like this time around. You see girls go they change skin. They not here and that one. Now black girls they reign. You see girls go for something to turn back their body. Like it was just so crazy. When I saw her, I remembered what I used to hear when I was still single. I love the fact that for me, I not change my body color for anybody. Any cream I rub is the cream that will glow my natural self, my brown self. My mom used to tell me that that when I was a child, I was very yellow, but she don't know what happened. I said maybe it was not my destiny to be very yellow. I might be yellow when I was a baby, but as I grow up, my skin decided to change, and I like this skin I am, which is brown. I like my brown skin like that. Anyway, that is the gist I have for you guys. So what do you guys think? Is it good to bleach your skin because of what is trending, or is better you be yourself? Okay, that your glow, your inner glow, just glow it out, and it will attract anybody that love that kind of color or that kind of numinous in your body. Anyway, let's cook. I have lots of things to do today. What's the time? The time is 1:15. Madam wants to come back from school, but let me start doing something before she come back, because she come back now, everything will be like the skin get everything will turn upside down. I'll start shouting. Anyway, see you guys in the next slide. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'm waiting for your answer. Drop your comment in the comment section about what I just listed now, about the bleaching of skin, changing color, and the rest. Yeah, so this is what I got. Everything I got from the market, I'm going to arrange all these things now and start cooking the soup. I'm cooking bitter leaf soup. I already have vegetable soup, so it's in the freezer. So I just want to cook something different, which is bitter leaf soup, and cook stew as well. So I'm going to be cooking fish stew with bitter leaf soup. Yeah, we have been eating too much meat and chicken for stew, so I decided to cook fish. All right, so let's go. So I lent a hack from my sister. You put your beans inside freezer. So this is the beans I had previously, since last month. Okay, this is what it has been inside freezer. They are brought light, take light, brought light, take light. It still looks fresh. And this is the new beans I bought today. So I'm going to put inside the freezer. This one I'm going to put inside nylon and keep inside freezer as well, or another plate. Put inside freezer. So guys, I have my meat, my Bwwm, stockfish, dry fish, I season it with this goat meat seasoning and this mix seasoning and salt and 1 cube of Maggi. So this is what I'm going to be cooking this now for the soup. Now I'm putting the Ede on fire. As the meat is boiling, the Ede is boiling. Madam has come back from school. We want to do assignment. So here is my crayfish. The fish, I've not washed it yet. I'm going to pound this together. Then this bitter leaf, I'm going to cook it to remove the bitterness inside. I think this soup is going to be sharp. I have finished blending the tomato. I blended tomato, pepper. That's just 3 pepper. Pepper, tatashi, and onions and garlic. I didn't have ginger, so I just blended garlic inside. So I'm going to allow this to simmer, then I'll sieve it. This what do they call it? It's still a fire. The what they call this thing itself? The Ede is still cooking. I go pan that like that. Okay, don't they soft? Before my fake was not entering inside. It's getting soft. I'll soon pound it. The soup will soon be ready. The meat is ready. I don't boil. I have dishes to clear, which I will clear them after I finish cooking, so that I just wash this plate once and for all. I know it's good to wash and distribute. Hey, auntie! See, I don't dey shout. Auntie Mia, leave there. Oh, let me cook that. This thing. What they call it? Let me cook the bitter leaf. Yeah. Yes, I want to cook the bitter leaf. So here is my pepper and crayfish. Let's pray say this pepper I put. You know go pepper too much. No, only me go last chop this food. Madam no go follow me chop the food. Away. Here's the day. Added oil. I'm going to allow this thing to baza, like to settle, to disappear. Whichever one, Sha, I'm going to allow it to disappear. Sha. So I just added my ogiri inside this thing. Ogiri, that thing. They say it's local Maggi. So I just added it inside the soup. I'm going to be putting the rest of my ingredients inside. Okay, before I put the bitter leaf. Yes. Smoked fish. I'm going to be putting it inside. I added small water because it was kind of too thick. It's giving now. Tomato is ready. This is the water I got from the tomato. So this water of tomato you can use to cook jollof rice. Yes. So I'm just going to allow this to keep on draining. Keep it aside. Plus, this is the soup. The fish has scatter inside. I'm going to allow it to cook small. Then I put it down. Stop clicking that in. So we want to wash plates.
Sometimes I look up in the night sky. Do we look at the same star? 'Cause I might be so wrong and I'm feeling so high. I don't even know why I want to try. Maybe because I'll let it die if I roll the dice. Remember me if you feel like no one can see who you are. I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me. I sit and wait for you till I cry. Oh, wonder if we can do it right. 'Cause I might do you wrong when I hold you that tight. Would you wanna drop my hand as I lie? I'm not sure if you're goodbye, but I will be fine. Remember me if you feel like no one can see who you are. I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me. Maybe I'm afraid that one day you'll forget.
So I am done washing all the plates. So I have this water here because I'm going to use it to wash those ones, clear everywhere. See my floor, very dirty. I need to mop. Like, it has really been a hectic day. My legs are paining me because I've been standing since, when I leave this house, I think since 11. Oh, I've been standing since 11. My legs are paining me all the time. It's 4:52, almost 5 o'clock. And I've not edited video for my hair channel yet. If I don't edit it this night before time reach, I'll edit it. I will upload it tomorrow. I'm just tired. I can't wait to finish this food and get rest. My legs are paining me seriously. Like, I just want to stretch my leg like this. Let me show you guys. Leg like this, like stretch it and lie down. But I'm still cooking. The stew is on fire. And soup is ready, just to transfer it and wash everywhere. Watch till this time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. This place, in case you are wondering, this place that is there, that's where this fridge used to be. But since the fridge had that issue it had in my previous vlog, we kept trying to leave the fridge there and leave that place open. Ow, ooh, I don't know, I'm having some small this thing pain. I just think it's stress. I'm just stressed. My legs are paining, everywhere it's paining. Anyway guys, I'll show you guys the end result of everything I'm finished. When I'm done, I'll show you guys the end result, and that should be where I'll end the vlog. So it's my spices time. Bay leaf, I say bay leaf, penny, city spices. What enter your ear? Fly cannot enter your ear. You only touch your ear, it not enter your ear, madam. I could search forever for a piece I'll never know, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. So because I added all these spices, I won't be putting salt. Make my stew not go taste salt. Because of all these spices, I'm gonna skip salt. Add the fish water. There's a storm in fish, the stew no get hot. I like it like that. Less oil. Too much of oil is not good for the heart. So this is how the stew looks like. Say stew. After I put in my fish, let it boil small.
Behind, I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time.
Done. This is soup. This is the stew. This will take me for 1 month. Then I am done. Everywhere looks clean. I've cleaned everything, wash everything, pack everything. So this is it. This is my life. The floor is clean. I'm tired. I want to go and bath now and rest. I am so tired. Like I pray to God that I wake up tomorrow morning, like I can get up from the bed to prepare this woman for school tomorrow, because my 2 legs are paining me. But I leave that to you alone. If you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you have not, share your beautiful comments, and I'll see you all in my next video. I just want to put the soup now inside freezer and go shower. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. It still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me's found